Hello, I'm Pat, Axway's Integration Patterns Specialist. If you are here with me today, you are most likely wanting to implement a cloud-to-cloud integration. Great, that's exactly what I will help you achieve today. Let's look at what we'll accomplish in this video. We'll learn how to register your Cloud Apps access. We'll also learn how to use a cloud-to-cloud flow template, and we will see how to test your cloud-to-cloud flow. Before we get started, let's check to see that we've got everything ready for this integration. First, you'll need an account on Axway's AMPLIFY platform with Integration Builder. Simply check if you can connect to platform.axway.com and that you can open Integration Builder from the home page. Then, you'll need to make sure that you have access to your cloud apps and that they allow application integration. In this video, we will use Salesforce and Slack. Let's start by planning our cloud-to-cloud integration. A cloud-to-cloud integration involves creating a logical flow between two or more cloud apps. For example, you may want to publish a message to Slack each time you get a new lead in Salesforce. To do so, we will use Integration Builder to implement a cloud-to-cloud integration between Salesforce and Slack, two cloud applications. First, let's see how to register our Cloud Apps access in Integration Builder. Open Integration Builder from the AMPLIFY homepage. Click on Connectors in the left menu. You'll see here a list of all the available connectors. Find Salesforce Sales Cloud in the list by filtering on Salesforce as a keyword in the search bar. Mouse over the connector and click on Authenticate. Fill in the form to create your Salesforce Sales Cloud connector instance. Enter a name like My Corporate Salesforce Account. In the Event Configuration section, enable Event, as we should receive events from this account for each new lead. Select Polling as the event type, and type Leads in lowercase and keep the default polling configuration to poll new leads every 5 minutes from Salesforce. Click on Create Instance and wait for the Cloud app to prompt for credentials. Sign in with your Salesforce account. Allow the AMPLIFY platform to access your Salesforce account. And we're done registering the Salesforce access. Now, let's do the same with Slack. Click again on Connectors in the left menu. Find Slack in the list and click on Authenticate. Fill in the form to create your Slack connector instance. Enter a name like My Slack Account on Company Workspace. Keep the default configuration. Click on Create Instance and wait for the Cloud app to prompt for credentials. Enter your Company Workspace URL. Provide your Slack credentials to sign in. Allow the AMPLIFY platform to access your Slack account. And we're done registering the Slack access. Now, the Axway platform can communicate with your two accounts on Salesforce and Slack. Now, let's see how to use these connectors with a flow template. Click on Flows in the left menu. You see here a list of all the available flows. Find Salesforce Lead to Slack Notification, Cloud to Cloud in the list and click on Create Instance. Fill the form to create your flow instance. Type in a name like My Corporate Salesforce to Slack. Set the flow variables. Select My Corporate Salesforce Account for the source instance variable. select My Slack Account on Company Workspace for the target instance variable. Enter New Leads for the value of the Slack channel variable. Click on Create. You have now completed your first cloud-to-cloud integration. Now, we just need to test our cloud-to-cloud integration flow. You can create a new lead in Salesforce, and you should see a related notification in Slack. Congratulations! You are now able to register your own Cloud Apps access, use a cloud-to-cloud flow template, and test your cloud-to-cloud flow. Next, you might be interested in watching the Implementing a Cloud-to-Ground Integration video.